Hello guys, welcome to this second question. So the question says evaluate the following limits without using a calculator. So you have a limb as x approaches 3, where 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 over x minus 3. We evaluate this. So how are we going to evaluate this? We can evaluate this by factorizing this part on top here, factorizing it using the difference of two squares, or finding the product in sums. So we can find the product of sums of this. How do we do it? Remember the grade 12 rules? Yeah, I'm just taking you through so that at least you can remember. So you multiply this one times this. So what is 2x squared times negative 3? That's negative 6x squared. You have your negative 5x here. So this is the product. The product we multiply, the sum we add. So now that I've multiplied for me to come up with the product, then this one is the sum. So I'll look for the numbers whereby once I multiply those two numbers, I'll get negative 6x squared. But once I add those same two numbers again, I'll get negative 5x. What are those numbers? So this is what we'll be dealing with here. So I'll have my negative 6 here. You have your minus 6x. And I'll have my x here. So once I multiply, what is negative 6x times x? That's negative 6x squared. But once I add this, what is negative 6x plus x, I'll get my negative 5x, because here the common the coefficient of x, it's 1. What is negative 6 plus 1? Negative 6 plus 1, that's negative 5. Then you get you just add the coefficient, you just add the variable, which is x here. So what is negative 6x plus x? That's negative 5x. So here I'll relight my limb here. I have a limb as x approaches 3. So I'll have my 2x. I'll relight the way 2x is. Then I'll substitute this here now. Here. So it will be open, not open bracket, so it will be 2x squared here. But where there is the sum, I substitute with this, what I found here. So it will be plus x minus 6x minus 3. I have something like this. Then over x minus 3. Okay, so you can be commenting, guys, in the comment section where you're not clear, so that at least we can try by all means to come up with something. Yeah, okay. So here, what do? We factorize. So we keep in mind this limb, we don't forget it. The limb as x approaches 3. So you factorize here. So you have this and this. You have this and this. You factorize. So which one is common here? It's x. So you have your x, open bracket, x into 2x squared, that's 2x, plus x into x, that's 1. You close. Minus, which one is common here? It's our 3. Open bracket. 3 into 6x, that's 2x. Negative into negative, that's a positive. 3 into 3, that's a 1. You have something like this. Then what do? Don't forget your denominator, which is x minus 3. So the limb as x approaches 3. So this one and this one will be together. Then this and this is just the same, so you can just get 1. So you have your x minus 3. You close, open bracket again. You have your 2x now plus 1. I've just got this and this, which is making this. But this, you just pick one because they are the same. Then over your x minus 3. Have you seen that this and this are the same? You can cancel. This and this goes. You remain with 2x plus 1. So here, don't forget your limb. Your limb as x approaches 3. So you have something like 2x plus 1. So remember, it is x approaching what? 3. So where there is x, you do what? You put 3. So here, 2 open bracket. Where there is x, you do what? You put 3. Plus 1. So you're going to have something like Sorry, you're not seeing this part here. Sorry. Yeah, so we're going to have 2. I've just substituted here in the equation. Where there is x, I've replaced with what? With the 3, which I did here. This is the 3 here. Okay, so I have 2 open bracket, 3, I close, plus 1. So the final answer is supposed to be, what is 2 times 1? What is 2 times 3? Sorry, that's 6 plus 1. So to be 6 plus 1, which is equals to 7. So this is the final answer. We proceed, we go to number 2. Number 2, the question says, okay, 2b. So this one, it was 6 marks. It was 6 marks. We go to b. So 2b, we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over x over x plus 2. This one, as well as x does what? Approaches 2. Okay, so as x approaches 2, so we have the limb as x approaches 2, then you have your 1 over 2 plus 1 over x plus 2. Okay, so what are we going to do? We have this equation. What are we supposed to do? Okay, so you can factor out, so not factor out, so but you can solve this part of the fraction on top the way we do solve normal fractions. So you have, let's deal first with the first part. You have this one, so you have 1 over 2 plus 1 over x. Yeah, so 1 over 2 plus 1 over x, what's the common denominator? What's the common denominator here? We just multiply. What is 2 times x? That's 2x. This one gives our common denominators 2x. So when you reach this stage, don't bother yourself to say no, so x can go into 2. Just multiply this. 2 times x, that's 2x. It becomes your common denominator. So 2 into 2x, that's x. X times 1, that's x. Plus x into 2x, that's 2. X into 2x, that's 2. 2 times 1, 2. Simple. You have something like this. Then don't forget this, your common here, your denominator. Over what? X plus 2. This is the main division here. So when you put your limb here, your limb as x approaches 2, this one becomes the main division. So you have something like x plus 2 over 2x. You divide by what? X plus 2. Okay, you have this. We proceed. So you have your limb. Don't forget your limb, guys. Don't forget your limb. So you have your limb as x approaches 2. So you rewrite this the way it is, x plus 2 over 2x. Then here, you do what? You cross multiply. Once you cross multiply, meaning you reciprocate. Remember, this is the whole number. Okay, so the whole number, it has a denominator of 1. So this one, when you reciprocate, the denominator becomes the numerator. The numerator becomes the denominator. What I mean is it will be 1 over x plus 2. Here, x plus 2, it was the numerator, but here it has become the denominator. Here, 1, it was the denominator, but it has become what here? The numerator. So you can cancel this and this goes. You remain with what? You remain with x plus 2 here, 1. X plus 2 here, 1. 1 times 1, that's 1. So you're going to have your limb as x approaches 2. So 1 times 1, that's 1 over 2x times 1, that's 2x. But it says the limb as x what? Approaches 2. So where there is x, you substitute with what? With 2. So the final answer, it's supposed to come out as in 1 over 2 open bracket 2, which is equals to 1 over 4. So this one becomes your final answer. So 20 marks. Here you have 20 marks. Question 1. April, May 2023, Engineering Mathematics 2. So you have 20 marks. We proceed to question 2. Thank you.